First tonight, Governor Gina Raimondo is promising more help for businesses to help them adapt to the new normal. Unlike Montecalvo, she also says the state's COVID-19 case numbers overall remain in a plateau. Sadly, another 18 Rhode Islanders with COVID-19 have passed away, bringing the death toll to 462. However, the number of people in the hospital went down again after staying relatively flat for the last couple of days. Eyewitness News reporter Kim Kalunian joins us now live from the State House with what else the governor discussed this afternoon. Hi, Kim.
Hey, Mike. Yeah, we're only 5 days into phase one, and it's been a little chilly, but some folks are trying to plan their summer. So what is summer in Rhode Island going to look like? Today, the governor says they are still trying to answer that question. We already know that large summertime events we've come to anticipate will not be happening this year. But what will summer really look like in Rhode Island? On Wednesday, Governor Gina Raimondo says they're still working out those details, but the state would like to enable tourism once again. While the governor says she doesn't think tourists will still be required to quarantine for 14 days, she says testing is something they're considering.
One option could be testing tourists. Then the question becomes, can we do that? Do we have the capacity? How do we administer that? So we're looking at it. We're trying to figure it out. Guidelines around travel are something the state is working on with other states in the region.
There is a 7-state consortium now that was formed to dialogue around policies that ought to be regional. And I can tell you there is active dialogue on a weekly basis among all of the states across a broad array of issues. We're trying to have the same policy in the whole region, and we're just not quite there yet.
The governor and commerce secretary also addressing more immediate needs Wednesday, among them providing masks and disinfectant to small businesses.
We've been hearing from businesses who are saying, okay, Governor, I'm a small retail shop. I'm thrilled to be able to open again, but I need a hand to figure out how to reopen.
Businesses with 50 or fewer employees can apply for the monthly supply of masks and a voucher for disinfectant. And businesses with 25 or fewer employees can also apply for one of 500 laptops provided by Microsoft. And right now we have some more information about how you can apply right now on our website, WPRI.com. Coming up new at 5:30, we'll tell you what the governor said today about testing, including those new antibody tests that are currently being offered. Live at the State House, I'm Kim Kalunian, Eyewitness News.
First tonight, Governor Gina Raimondo says they're still working out what summer tourism will look like this year. She says they would like to welcome visitors since so many communities rely on summer tourism. And while she doesn't think quarantines will be required, she says they are considering testing people coming into the state. Eyewitness News reporter Kim Kalunian joins us now live from the State House with what else the governor discussed this afternoon. Kim?
Yeah, Mike, in addition to those comments about what summertime in Rhode Island might look like, the governor also talked about testing. As our Steph Machado reported yesterday, testing sites in the urban core are seeing a higher rate of positives versus the statewide average. Today, the governor says they've added sites in Providence and tripled testing capacity in Woonsocket. And she wants to make sure that people in urban and minority communities are not afraid to go and get a test.
I want to say this. As we're getting more into these communities that have been hardest hit, dense urban communities, poor communities, communities where folks don't have cars, communities where they're undocumented immigrants, we hear people are afraid. They don't want to get tested. They're afraid to get tested. They feel they don't have the money to get tested. So let me say this. Testing is free. If you can't afford it, if you don't have insurance, we'll pay for it. It's easy to do. It won't take more than a couple minutes. No one's going to ask you about your immigration status. We have places in your community that you can walk over to. Please, please, please get tested. If you're hearing me now, if you are sick and you've been afraid to get tested, I need you to have the courage to go and get your test. It'll help you, it'll help your family, it'll help you and your family get back to work, it'll help your whole community.
Also today, the governor says keep an eye on your mailbox. You might be getting a letter inviting you to participate in a random antibody test. 5,000 randomly selected Rhode Islanders will be getting one of those letters. Those tests will be happening at Stop and Shop stores in Providence, Cranston, Pawtucket, North Providence, and Newport. But the governor says you cannot just show up. You must have one of those letters and be invited to take one of those tests. Live at the State House, I'm Kim Kalunian, Eyewitness News.